Okay, you have 6 viewers.
Yay!
People are coming. 7, 8, 10. Okay.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get
10.
You know what? If I'm going to mom get love and go,
Yeah.
I can go see what they're saying.
Oh, true.
We're about to start. Thank you, everyone. Merci tout le monde qui vient. Qui a participé dans la live là. Même je dis, on a fait pas tes codés. On a fait pas tes codés, je dis. Merci tout le monde qui a participé avec. Je vraiment apprécier tant nous. Where's my breath? Oh, that's fine. Forget about it.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You know where it is, Chloe? Okay. So, pour commencer, nous allons préparer.
Jocelyn said, "Hey Lola, you look
Hi,
pretty."
Jocelyn. Thank you. So, nous allons préparer un sauce. I'm going un sauce, piment douce, tomate, oignon, œufs.
The music is too loud.
Music is too loud, Jean-Daniel. DJ. Chouin. Je vais faire 2 qualités pâté, ok? Alors, pour commencer, je vais préparer sauce. Je vais préparer sauce qui va faire pour mettre dans le pâté. Force là. Je vais préparer force là.
Here's her iPad.
Thank you, baby girl. Ok, on a l'Instagram moi. Et puis, on va ça mon abdi.
Chloe, don't move this, baby.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I even can give myself oh, it's got my tête mon en plus. Okay. And I'm gonna join my live. Okay, good.
Put the volume down so they don't hear the echo.
Okay, yeah.
You can come sit here when you want to.
Yeah, there's a delay too. Okay. Okay, let me wave to myself. Okay. Wave to self. Okay.
Somebody said hi.
Okay. Now,
Somebody said,
mets ton petit oignon.
what are you making again?
We're making curry. Oh, merci de monter du feu à l'air.
I moved it down. We can see your face now.
Oh, map descend. Pas de problème, mais problème. Map chita.
Oh, no.
Parce que, regardez-moi si ça a sous 5, Dori.
Yes.
It's on fire? Ok, comme ça, nous faisons ça, mettez les oignons en fond de fruit. Puis, je vais bien. Oh, I should be able. Oh, they can't load my live. Try again. Oh, I have 20 people. Nice. Wow. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. I was expecting 20 people. Yeah, 20 moun. I'll be very happy. Okay. Ça a une petite couleur. C'est la vidéo m'a fait me raconte. Ah oui, j'ai pris un petit temps, tout petit. Je ne vais pas gaspiller tant mon nom, mais je dis, je ne vais pas faire un choix.
Somebody said, "Do you upload the lives afterwards?"
I'm gonna try to. Dernière fois, je ne suis pas capable parce que je ne suis pas servir pour me desservir. Mais je dis à ma PC. Ok, tu mets ça avant. Mettez piment douce.
That's pepper.
Et puis, je dis ça encore. Faire manger, c'est un art, c'est pas une science. Si on bagaille ou connaît ou remet, même si l'autre monde va habituer à mettre l'ordinaire ou qu'à juste ajouter. Son art.
People are just joining. They want to know what you're making.
I'm making curry. Ma fait pâté.
I just told her.
Ok. Ma fait pâté codé Haitian curry. Not. Et pas ici, et pas pâté non, pâté codé. Oh, Haitian empanada, I should say. Yeah. Okay, it's more like an empanada than the regular Haitian, traditional Haitian curry that everybody knows. Okay. On est là. Mettre tomate. petit assaisonnement tout petit. Parce que ma utilisé en soir, je dessalé hier soir.
How we set my
Je
friend?
dessalé depuis me racheter, ok?
My friend.
Bouillir ou bien tremper pour retirer
Ma
celle-là. Et puis parfois, même si c'est filet en sort, qu'on a un ciseau, pour retirer. Tout à l'heure, c'était pas vrai.
Mom, my friend at school is
Just estimate. Donc, faut pas mettre en pile, pas mettre en pile sel.
Wait, check your iPad. Somebody asked a question.
Same recipe when you use whatever the... Oh yeah, you can use veggies. Also, super also, mais utiliser, vous pouvez faire all vegetables.
yeah, all vegetables.
And somebody asked about the dough.
Okay, I'm gonna make dough, but m'acheter
We're gonna
m'acheter un sac tout fait là, parce que je ne vais pas gaspiller dans nous encore. Mais pendant la fria, je vais montrer nous comment vous nous faites dough. Je ne vais pas gaspiller dans le monde. Ouais, je vais mettre tout maintenant ça.
Somebody said, "Hey, Lola."
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know who they are, so you can just see their names.
Well, we're gonna have people. Steady 32. I like that.
Because Patrick
Thank
is
you.
famous.
Yep. So now, kunya mbala ajouter un soa.
Oh, you're doing the same thing for the also and shrimp?
Oh. M'font erreur. Je suis supposé retirer un peu dans ça, je vais mettre dans le shrimp là, avec son mobile. Yeah, ok. Comme retirer, ok, là, si comme c'est deux m'a faire, c'est ça que je vais retirer ça, ok? Mais si je fais seul, sans pour mettre en soir, je vais mettre shrimp là, vice versa.
I'm just gonna type in, we're making.
Moi, je tire ça pour me mettre dans le shrimp pâté. Mais tout ça, ça en sort. Okay.
Oh, it looks so good.
I know. It's delicious, baby girl. You can help me close them, okay?
Okay. I'm just waiting for the patties to be
Pour
cooked.
y a mon petit piment. Je lâche un petit piment piqué.
Just a little bit of peanut.
Piment bouc.
Yeah, just a little
Je mets
bit.
un petit piment piqué là-dedans. Non, pile, oui.
And that is
Voilà,
very
c'est
sad.
some for the shrimp.
I'm going to tell them what you're saying.
Mets un petit piment piqué. On va mettre la sauce en chocolat.
Mom, I'm
Mais
going
donc,
to tell... Mom,
Piment piqué. Ou bien mettez un petit hot sauce. Je vais mettre tout de moi et manger piment. Manger un pile piment.
Somebody said, "I am new to your page. I love all your dishes."
Thank you. Thank you. Ma fais manger mbakali. I'm trying. Oh là là, puis ma réponse. Je mets un soir.
Julia said, "I love making your recipes."
Thank you, Julia. Ok. Et toujours aimé ajouter un petit citron. Là, m'a fait poisson pour lever goût.
You just click the arrow and then send it to the person you want. They want to send the live to their
Oh,
friends.
good. Please do. I need more people.
Judith said heart eyes.
Hello.
Somebody said, "OMG, you cook just like me."
Nice. So you know how to cook, huh? Okay. Okay. So now that we have this finished,
You probably know those. I don't know.
what I'm gonna do is I'm moving these to the side. Oh, vous contemplez faire? Doré. Mettez l'huile dans ça, commencez à chauffer le sous-four à point. Parce que ça va pas chaud assez pour cuire.
Is that a chicken in there?
Okay?
Is it time to grow the flower?
Maybe I should leave it
Now.
like this.
Is it time to grow the flower?
Is that enough oil for it? Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, that's too much, but that's okay. Vamos de pensar, né? Vamos de shrimp, also. Can you see these? No?
No.
That's
I think you got a couple of questions that I missed while I was
Okay,
away.
okay. Que question? Ça question ici. Oh, 44 moun!
Don't forget to save it after the live.
I will.
Love, love, love your recipe. Making this after watching.
Good. Okie dokie.
The person that said you cook just like them said, yes, I do. He makes Haitian, American, Chinese, basically any recipe.
Nice. Okay.
It smells really good, guys. You have no idea. So
Okay, so we're good with this.
Daddy.
So now we're gonna. I bought these pre-made. So I'm gonna use them. And while they're frying, I'll show if you really, hardcore, I'll show you how to make it from scratch. M'acheter ça yo, tout fait. Mais si vraiment ou c'est mon qui va me faire tout à fort.
you want me to put the fire down?
No, that's fine. I just want it to be really hot parce que ça pas chaud. Ok, so on va faire deux là. On va faire un pâté. Actually, I should. Will this? I can do three. This you think? Yeah, I can do two. Ok. Le moi te dit, bon moun moi dit m'a faire recette là. Moun nan dit m'fam mettre œuf là. M'pa habitué faire la œuf. Mais apparemment, l'homme de Philippe Haïti, je te vidrer à la mode dans pâté. Ok.
They said they want you to make it from scratch afterwards.
Okay, I'll do that. So, basically, moi je prends une cuillère à un sort.
They want to know, is the dough the same consistency, the store-bought and the homemade?
Yeah, pretty much. But so fait la caillou parfois, it's l'antigen qui doughy. It's thicker. Parce que vous pas s'ouvre le café le fin comme ça tout, mais le plus souvent on pas patience pour faire le fin comme ça. Alors l'antigen thicker, gain plus d'eau là pour manger pâté. Pour nous mettre 2 œufs. Apparemment et c'est ça, bon moi la première fois m'a fait la œuf mais yo dit monsieur est très populaire là.
It is.
Never seen it. But after my time. Et puis qu'on y est là, nous fermons. Oh, de l'eau. Just mets ton petit blanc dans mon. Actually, mets ton petit blanc dans le tout pour qu'à bien fermer pour pas ouvrir l'eau à fouiller. Souvent mettre petit blanc dans mon.
You're doing really good with viewers. You like staying at 40 consistent.
L'eau à ouvert.
That's good.
L'eau à ouvert. Thank you everybody. Merci tout le monde qui est dans live là. Je vais faire live, but pour nous fermer là en fourchette.
Kimmy said looks so good. Well,
It
bomb.
is so good. So pour nous là, on ferme, ok?
It tastes good too.
Pour nous là pour chouin blanc. Je vais fricasser chouin blanc, juste fricasser chouin blanc avant de commencer. Moi je dis c'est pisser, mettez un petit huile, mettez dans cette huile là, un petit sel, un petit citron et puis moi faire. Pas mettre une non, moi là ici. Mettez un pile chouin pour la mon abondant pour le jeune chouin. Pas faire pour sandwich, on est comme bonne nouvelle l'école d'Haïti. On slice jambon.
I love shrimp.
Et aussi j'ai tomate là me fait avant, je vais retirer la donne, so m'ajouter un petit tomate. Tomatas bouillon.
Somebody said, girl, I'm supposed to be grading papers. You got me glued to this line.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Mommy, is it my turn to be in the box?
Oh yes, it's your time. I forgot about Chloe. She wants to close the party. I'll make one for you to close. Just give me a minute. 1 minute, Chloe.
Ew, I don't like these patties.
And then we close it. We wet. We close.
Me?
And then we use the knife to keep it so
No,
it doesn't
it's
fall
not
apart.
a
Okay,
knife.
Chloe Kunya.
Mommy, it's not a
Tati, you got
knife.
something,
Mommy, it's
What do
not
I
a
have?
knife.
another question,
Mommy,
right?
it's not a knife. It's a
Wait,
fork.
Chloe.
Okay, baby. Yeah, the fork. That's true, baby girl. You got that.
Somebody said you're welcome. I love your IG. You're always
Thank
making me
you.
hungry. I have yet to try some of your recipes, but I do love to watch.
Nice, nice. You should try one day.
Next, somebody said, where are you located? And somebody said,
And you fry it.
you make me hungry. Please put the recipe on your feed so we know what to buy.
I will.
If you had a restaurant, I'd be broke buying your food. They ask, how long do you leave them in the oil?
Until they're brown. We brown them in the oil.
Mommy.
Oh, they're like coming with those
Okay, Chloe, your
questions.
turn. Your turn, Chloe.
You guys don't understand. It smells so good in here. So good.
Okay, Chloe, I'm gonna give you a job. You got to close this one, Chloe. You can have my seat. I'm just gonna move a few things away from here. We're gonna make this one without eggs. Which is that's a traditional one. No, I don't know anymore. Moi, c'est ça traditionnel là, pas gain d'œufs. M'pas connaît. M'pas connait d'œufs. Mais apparemment, le populaire.
Mom, I want to taste some of the white.
Yeah, you're gonna taste. You're gonna taste.
What is it?
Okay, Chloe. You get too close. I'll give you the knife.
Not. You mean fork.
Fork. There you go. Get filled.
I'm not close enough. I can't see.
Now move you up. You can close this one. And you turn.
Do you recommend any dipping sauce, like a Thai sweet sauce?
You could. And
That's super good.
or as Haitian, you can do pickles.
Mom, I'm gonna taste some. Mom,
Are you supposed to be closing this for me? What are we testing? We're
I'm
closing.
tasting and closing.
Okay.
I'm tasting and closing. Hot
Your
sauce
phone turned
or
off.
sweet sauce?
Okay. I like to use a little bit of sugar,
I like sugar, yeah,
a
too.
little bit of salt.
Sugar and
Get
salt
the real
is-
salt. Come on, Chloe. A little bit of salt.
The person who said about the sweet Thai sauce said would be an option to pickles. My husband is Chinese, but
Oh, that'd be
he
perfect.
doesn't like spicy.
That's perfect. So, a little bit of water.
One more? Mommy, one more?
No, I have to do this. Just give me a chance to finish.
That's water? Mommy. Let me taste.
Perfect. Make sure it's not too salty. If it's salty, just add water. Like I told you before, it's an art. It's not a science. And I have my flour. I'm gonna work it in the oil. I like to put oil because if you don't put oil, the dough can be very hard. And some people put baking powder. I don't like to put baking powder. I think it alters the taste.
Mom.
But maybe take
Bubble gum.
bicarbonate.
Bubble gum are like
Parce que bicarbonate a changé goût.
bubble gum.
Alors, on a mis des petits de l'eau, sel, sucre, tout petit.
It tastes like
Et puis, malé.
Somebody said, please make chicken pate corde next time.
Okay. And I thought about it too. Comment ça, ça, oui? Mais donc, c'est de l'eau.
Let me taste.
So they said from scratch, you need flour, salt, water, and
Sugar, oil.
sugar and oil.
And then you work the water in there slowly because you don't want it to be too liquidy. Come on,
Let me
Chloe.
taste.
You want it to have a good consistency.
It's too salty.
Come on, Chloe.
That takes it gold.
We're not supposed to eat it like that.
Just take a little.
Okay. I think that should be enough.
Mom, I think you should stir it so it gets like when Mom, remember when I made those?
I know. But you're not making dough today, mommy is.
When I was a baby.
Yeah.
I
Big girl now.
yeah, I don't need to make.
Okay. So now that's the dough.
I want to put pickles on mine.
Can you get the bowl of pickles from the fridge for me? No, respectable Haitian woman. They don't have no pickles in their fridge. Every respectable Haitian woman have pickles in their fridge, okay?
Yeah.
I'm a
nobody
respectable
eats your
Haitian
bananas.
woman.
Nobody eats your bananas. This is
Okay.
just mommy hair.
So now,
This is just
I'm gonna
mommy.
do more
Don't
flour.
worry.
See?
This is just mommy
Basically,
hair.
I put too much water, but that's not a problem. Chloe, can you get me a scoop of flour?
Shut.
See if the scoop is in there. Here, there's something in there. Let's use this.
I use this.
Okay.
No, that means that's supposed.
Come on, Chloe.
I'm supposed to be scooping it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. You said give me one scoop of water.
I said Dory, I didn't say Chloe. But you can help, that's fine. Okay, now,
More.
and what I do now is, I make like a little ball out of them. I don't want to take your time, that's why. Oh, come on, Chloe, you're gonna make a mess. I'm gonna have to clean this after.
No.
Somebody said Chloe is smart.
Say thank you, Chloe. You said thank you? Somebody said
Thank
you're
you.
smart.
Mom, now
Okay, now
you-
what I do is I make balls.
Can
out
I
of
make
them.
balls too?
Yeah, I can make this one.
Two
My
bubbles.
gosh, I have like a dollar with flour in my dough.
No.
That's what you did, not
The
me.
entire thing.
That's
Okay.
not me. I didn't.
They're saying they're still here. They have the time to watch you make the dough.
No.
Cause they said since stores don't have a lot of stuff, they don't.
Oh
think
yeah,
they-
that's true. You know that this morning I went to a store looking for the they were gone. There was
Yeah.
none.
That's what she's saying.
I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this.
That's how they said they're making it from scratch when they make it.
Yeah.
I had a lot of.
And then that's how you do it. You can make it as flat as you want.
Yeah, as flat as you want.
It's not gonna be perfect
Oh.
circle. Maybe it will be.
They're like, OMG, I don't have a rolling pin. If you
Use
have
a bottle. I'm
bottle.
gonna give you a secret. Where's my wine bottle? I mean, one bottle, wine bottle. No, not a full one. Or if it's a full one, it has to be closed.
Okay. Here.
Okay, give it to me. I'll show them. If you don't have
What do you want?
a rolling pin, any kind of bottle. Trust me, I was in college and I made them for that. I did not have a rolling pin. Improvise.
Well, all mommy's friends.
Okay, so.
Don't worry, this is just mama hair.
And now, just like you would normally do, you put the dough in. I mean, the farce, the.
She
you know,
said,
the meat.
yes, I have a lot of wine bottle. T-shirt life.
And mommy has a lot of wine bottles.
Hey, that's only secret. Okay.
Do you want me to give you the pickles still?
That's
It's right
fine.
there.
I spilled the beans.
And then now, we.
I spilled the beans.
Yeah, you spill the beans.
You're so cute.
That is so
That's because
cute.
Dad told him, you spill the beans. And she's been using it since then, and properly too. And then you fry. Okay, go. Oh, we have another one here.
Somebody said, oh, Chloe putting your business out.
I know.
Time for my turn.
It's frying over there.
Up. Should I move it?
Yeah, it's really hot though.
Good.
You're good.
Now we add to the frying thingy. Okay, now I gotta get a plate. Let me plate it, take a picture. While this is frying, let's clear the counter.
Look at my hair. It's pink.
You gotta clean as you go, although I didn't do that today.
Yeah.
They're saying Chloe's putting your business out there.
You blowing my mind, Mama.
Okay, Chloe.
That's super silly. I saw my girl at my school and she said, oh, you blow my mind, you're silly baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta use this more because I don't want mommy to be mad at me. Because
Why would I be mad at you?
No, I'm just telling these guys. If you know that I'm making patties someday when I'm older.
Okay, baby, you too close to the fire. Move
Okay.
back.
I can't get mom. I can't move back.
Does it fry longer, the homemade dough?
Not really. I think you know how I had a starter over there.
I made homemade dough too.
Yes, you do.
Well, it's not.
So it looks pretty similar.
It's not
so the
patty
homemade dough
yet.
is good. It's easy.
Try it at home. For kids,
And
friends at home.
if you have people coming over, Haitian people tend to love this.
Or
Pate poade. Oh, my friend do. My friend do.
well, nobody.
So this is my pickles bowl for my Chinese container.
Somebody said if you wanted to make this as a light dinner, what would you pair it with?
Anything.
Salad.
Well, anything.
Your salad?
Nah.
Yeah.
Anything. Actually, anything. Mom, actually.
there it
Mom,
is.
Chloe, move back from the fire, babe.
Mom, you put this one
Yeah, okay, we're good, baby. We're good, baby girl. You wanna go play on the other table? You can just bring all the dough and make them flat for me like this, okay?
Uh-oh. I can't.
Okie dokie. So, Chloe, you're too close to the fire.
Oh, I can't get.
Okay, what am I doing?
So she said salad sounds good and a bit of dessert.
I have this amazing pineapple plum cake. On my page, you make that. All the pain patate or any of that stuff.
The blanc manger.
Oh, blanc manger. Oh, I got yelled at for the blanc manger because it's not really a Haitian recipe. That's not the way we make it in Haiti.
What have you?
Mine is a quick version.
Oh, you guys just need to like understand.
Okay, we are all set, and these are the patties,
Almost done.
right?
Mom, we're actually.
If you look at these two, you don't know which one is.
Yeah.
No, actually, this one was the.
These
That's
are
one
all
close
my
close.
Cardi-
That's the homemade
I like
one.
Cardi's.
So it's not as perfect, and the color is not as dark. I don't know if they put egg on the one that you buy. I don't know. I didn't look at the ingredients. So, but this is how it is.
She said or salted broccoli.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, you could do
Any
it.
question for me? Anything? Oh my gosh, look at my
Do
hand.
you want me to turn this off?
Yeah, I can turn it off. Let me get this off. Yeah. We didn't burn anything today, like last time.
Well, we like
No flames today, so we're gonna keep it that way.
so good.
Any food questions?
So
Will that be
far.
answered?
Mom, so good so far. So this one's done. I'm gonna give it to Mom.
Oh, come on. I hope Nilva's not looking. She think I waste so much paper towel.
When will you start a restaurant?
Never.
Mom, here's your pine card.
I don't know. I don't know if it's a good time to start a restaurant right now.
Mom,
I'll think about it. Maybe, eventually. I don't know. That's really not in the cards right now. I just enjoy cooking. I love making food. That's my pastime. And I make food. That's how I
Mama,
relax.
she just blew my mind.
Oh shoot, let me read the one here.
You can read
This
better
is like
there.
super flat dough.
What are your basic ingredients to make epis?
Okay, epis I use. Oh, actually, I made it on the last slide. I use scallion, sweet pepper, green and bell pepper, green and red,